What up, guys? Retrocengo is back. Look what I just got delivered. No, you didn't. You just didn't buy this many big box Amigas, did you? Amiga 2000. Look at this tower, guys. We're gonna make a 4000 there. Look at this beauty. Are they fully tested? I don't know. Are they working? I don't know. Is the water battery removed? I don't know. Do they have motherboards inside? This one has. This one has. This one has. This is so awesome. I mean, if you're into Amigas, then you know this is just so awesome. Now, the big box Amigas, do they give me anything more than Amiga 1200? No. Are they my favorite Amigas? No. But I got offered these, and you won't believe me. These plus 8 big boxes of Amiga and Commodore 64 stuff. Inside I saw some Commodore 64s in those big boxes, moving boxes we're calling them here in Denmark. Denmark was a huge Commodore country, so Commodore 64, Commodore 128 was inside. Amiga CD32 was inside also, condition, I don't know, a lot of games, a lot of joysticks. All of that stuff is at my friend's place. There were some Amiga 1200s also. Oh my sweet mother of candy flush. So much Amiga stuff, okay? So many crazy Amigas. The owner of these computers passed away, unfortunately. And a store bought everything. And I asked about, because I've got a lot of Amiga 1200s, I asked about PSUs and stuff like that. And he was like, dude, I didn't have the time to take everything, so a lot of it just got thrown out. Oh, this is an Amiga 4000 also, I'm sorry. So 2 Amiga 4000s. Yeah. And I haven't got all the keyboard. I haven't checked everything. It's far away from where I live, so a friend picked everything up. So this was a video look at everything purchase. It's not the best way to buy stuff, because these came with water batteries, and if you know a bit about Amigas, then you know what water can do to these computers. So I mean, it's just a chance. This is a 68040. We hope that it has got an 040 processor. It can be empty inside, but behind here, yeah, it has got a motherboard in there. That's beautiful. But let's make multiple series checking out this huge purchase, because next Monday my friend will visit me and he will come with 2 or 3 big boxes filled with Amiga and Commodore 64 stuff. We're gonna film that also. But until then, let's just take it from the top. Let's take this beautiful Commodore Amiga. Gonna display here. I have never seen that before. Okay, let's check out this Amiga 2000. Let's just see how it reacts. We have this floppy 1, floppy 0. Beautiful stuff. Other than that, I think this is ready to get some power. Let's go ahead and remove all of this. Open this one up and take a closer look inside. Right? Aren't you excited? Isn't this cool? You don't see lots like this every day. You don't just buy an Amiga 4000 every day. So 2 Amiga 4000s every day, and Amiga 2000 and 2000 and 2000. So cool, I got these delivered, man. I mean, friends in this hobby, they are so... I love you guys. So let's just go ahead and start with this beauty. It's a Commodore Amiga 2000. It has got some sort of display here, maybe something GoTech drive display or something, I don't know. It's very dirty, so let's just go ahead and open. It has a screw here at the back, and it has got 2 screws on each side. So I will just remove them and open this beauty up, and we're gonna check out the water battery. Before I take the whole cover off, I just want to show you. It has got a switch at the back here. It has got something here. It has got a card here. So I'm very excited about what's inside this machine because I hope that it's a, hard disk here. So what is this? What in the what? It has got something there, something here. Oh, what is this, guys? It has some sort of cables. For what? Cables there, cables going in there. I mean, let me see here. It has got a board down there. Can you see it? Something there. What is that? What is this? A card here? And oh, it's the water. Let's just turn this one around. Okay, it still has the water battery installed there. Can you see it? And it's a bit green down there. So I don't, now this what I'm about to do, don't do this. Don't just plug it in like me. Don't do stuff like this where it has the battery. And let me look at the legs of the CPU. Is it greenish? No, it's pretty nice. But I'm just gonna give this some power on. I don't care. Come on, 3, 2, 1, go! The hard disk. What is this? It says, on the camera, it just says 0, but in the real deal, it says 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Can you hear the hard disk? Oh man, it's so cool! Let's plug it to the screen and see what's going. Is this a RAM board of some sort? And this is so cool. So let's just plug this one in and see what's gonna happen. The hard disk, did it read? All right, let's listen to the hard disk now, okay? There. Yes. It's reading something. It's reading something. We have to plug this one in. We have to plug the Amiga 4000 in. We're going to have so much Amiga fun now. All right. Easy now. Did this video start with any kind of advertisement? Did you see some YouTube clips you couldn't jump over and another advertisement, irritating stuff you really don't want to watch? Did that happen? No. Will it happen when this video is over? No. Will you have ads in the middle of the video? No. I removed all of that. No ads, no advertisement, no nothing. Are you going to hear this video is sponsored by blah blah blah? No, nothing like that. This channel is changing. It's gonna be fully enjoyable. This is going to be how I like to watch other YouTubers do stuff. I just want to click on a video, let it start. No advertisement, no nothing. Just fully enjoyment from start to the end. That means all of that stuff is gone. But I activated Patreon. I have some haters, everybody does, and I have some fantastic supporters. I opened Patreon a couple of days ago, got 17 supporters the first day or 2 days or something like that. So if you want to watch rest of this Amiga whole video where we, on this part 1, we're gonna test the Amiga 2000. It has got hard drive, RAM card, it has got the water battery. Let's just open everything out and take a closer look at it. If you want to watch the rest of the video, be a Patreon supporter for $5 a month. This channel goes behind the curtains now. Okay, for $5 a month, you will come in on my Patreon channel. We have got an open discussion there. We're having so much fun in there. Come on in, you can see the full video. and the next one will be upcoming, the next Amiga 2000, the next Amiga 4000, Amiga 4000 open and look, and in upcoming weeks we're gonna get a bunch of Amiga 1200s, and there were so many books and games, joysticks. I want to have everything on YouTube because this channel is old. This channel is back from 2018. I have made 1,200 videos, over 1.5 or more million views. I have reviewed so much retro computing Amiga stuff. From now on, I want to enjoy everything with my fully supporters, the people that loves this channel on YouTube. Isn't that great? So if you like this stuff, comment in, click on the link, and you can go in and join this channel on Patreon. Support the channel so I can pay for all of this stuff. This recording software costs money, okay? The editing software costs money. Everything costs money. These Amigas cost money. I'm gonna show you a lot of great stuff. So if you're into this, be a buddy, be a supporter of the channel. If not, I wish you the best. This channel is going behind the curtains. Have a great life after this. Or watch my old Amiga videos, because from now on, everything is going to happen on Patreon. We're gonna discuss everything. We're gonna have so much fun. We're gonna already people can contact me direct. We're having discussions in there. It's so much fun. Come on in and be a part of this. And if you want to hate, it's all up to you. Have a great life. Have a great day out there.
Into the wonderful.